Welcome to this video about the top 5 niches to make money online for beginners. Making money online can be a daunting task, especially for those who are just starting out. That is why we have created this video to help you understand the options available to make money online. Let's dive in. The first niche we recommend for making money online is affiliate marketing. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale. It requires minimal investment and can be done from anywhere. With the right strategies and marketing, affiliate marketing can be very profitable. The next niche we recommend for making money online is dropshipping. It involves selling products without holding inventory. You simply connect the customer orders to a third-party supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. This allows you to run an e-commerce store without managing inventory or shipping. With the right niche and marketing strategies, dropshipping can be very profitable. Another niche to make money online is virtual coaching. If you have experience and knowledge in a particular field, you can offer virtual coaching to clients. This can include coaching in fitness, personal development, business, or any other field. Coaching can be done through video calls, emails, or messaging platforms. With the right skills and dedication, virtual coaching can be very profitable. Ebook authoring is another lucrative way to make money online. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can write an ebook and sell it online. This can be a great way to earn passive income, as long as the ebook provides value to readers. With the right research and writing skills, ebook authoring can be very profitable. These are the top 5 niches to make money online for beginners. As you can see, there are a variety of ways to make money online. It is important to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and skills to maximize your chances of success. Good luck on your online money-making journey.